I have been very impressed with SVSU and everything that's been done. So what I've seen so far is I've seen students, as I walk around today, everyone's wearing a mask. And that's one of the most important things we can be doing. So that's very heartening to see. I think the leadership has done a nice job communicating and keeping people in the know of what they need to know. So I think overall, SVSU's been doing a great job. I know wearing masks is getting old. I certainly feel that. But the reality is the virus is still here. It is still a virus that can cause death in some people and long-term problems, as far as we know, potentially in some others. And so it's still here. It can still be transmitted. And wearing a mask is right now probably the most effective way we can do to prevent it from spreading to others. The biggest thing is going to be group gatherings where the virus can spread. And so a group of people indoors without masks, if any one of those people is infected, it will spread to the others. And the more people you have, the more likely someone's going to have the virus and not even know it and spread it to everyone else. So indoor parties, indoor gatherings, highest risk by far. Now, next going down, I mean, there's other things that can cause risk where you're gathering indoors with a smaller group without masks. Still, you have that risk of spreading it to others. The safest thing to do still is going to be wearing your mask, staying 6 feet apart.